Meaning of E H Shepard.
E H Shepard.
E H Shepard.
E H Shepard.
E H Shepard. E H Shepard refers to Ernest Howard Shepard, a British artist and illustrator best known for his illustrations of the Winnie the Pooh books. Shepard's iconic illustrations of Pooh, Piglet, Tigger, and other characters have become beloved by readers of all ages around the world. His unique style and attention to detail helped bring A. Milne's stories to life and remain an integral part of the Winnie the Pooh legacy. Today, Shepard's artwork continues to inspire new generations of Pooh fans and serve as a reminder of the enduring power of storytelling and imagination.